Yep, I know that life. Oh my gosh, no matter where you look, everywhere you look. Hey, the F-150 guy beat this horn at you.
That was a 250.
Mustang guys and F-150 guys. Smell it.
Unleaded fuel.
Unleaded fuel. And high octane fuel.
That C16, E85.
Right.
Whatever y'all on.
All the fuels, whatever all the race cars are on now. Man, what's happening, y'all? I know it's been a while. We ain't gonna get into that. Life be lifing. That's all I'm gonna say. We ain't gonna get into that. A lot's changed. F-150 low now. I mean, he still got the 5.0, but now he double 5.0. You feel me? But y'all see where we at, man. Y'all saw the title of the video. You know we had it come down here.
Oh my God! Look at you! Yeah!
Oh, look at that!
Man.
Is that an SVJ? It's an SVJ.
Damn.
What a car up there's the trailers. Now where the meats at? Pause. No diddy. No diddy. No diddy. I just whoa. Yeah, okay. Okay. Fuck this side of the beach. Took my glasses last time I was here. I follow him, actually.
Street speed ass nigga.
Oh, look at that Mustang. Oh, Lamborghini Gallardo. Porsche. I couldn't tell.
Is it a gray one?
Yeah, gray Gallardo.
They from my hood.
Sheesh. Yeah, I know how I feel about the vets, man.
Oh,
that's crazy. Felix Performance. It was him and his Audi. Damn, that Mercedes crazy. Oh yeah, that's a big me.
Whoa, whoa,
Pause.
whoa,
No diddy, no
whoa,
diddy, no diddy, man.
Whoa.
See, here you go with that man.
Nah, yo,
Here you go with that
That was crazy.
I just said it was a big,
said,
it's a big car meet. God dang, man.
Use your words, articulate.
It's a big car meet.
God damn.
Goodness gracious, you can't say nothing around these horny ass people. Come on, get the out the way. Damn, yo, that's a backhoe. Oh, Audi, GTR, FRS. Oh, Eclipse and the Neon. You don't see them ever. That's pretty sick over there.
My seat on.
Oh, you cool?
Woo, breezy.
Oh, yeah, here we go, big car meet. Yeah, these shows are always cool. Over here at the convention center, I see them. Just headed down to get an idea on how it's looking out here. Let's see. Bronco Raptor. Bicycle, bicycle. Look at that lineup. Nice. this one. Yeah, we stayed at this one. That Mustang, man, damn. Raptor, Velociraptor. Oh, that demon? You a demon?
How far you gonna go? What the fuck you
Oh,
doing?
you're a Hello Kitty cat, litter box. What the? Okay, all right. Look at the color. It's not like all the way blue. It looks like it on camera, but it's like bluish purple. Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh my God. Hey, bro. I'm about to cross real fast. Oh, shit. I'm falling. Yep. He knew what to do. He knew the vibes. Ford Bronco. I don't care, I'm gonna cross anyway. I'm from Baltimore. Watch this. Watch this. Damn. Told you, man, cruise week, don't know where to look. Don't know where to look. I see it. I'm signing with it.
Yeah, it's the first, Brazzer scene.
Yeah, the man. Sheesh. That thing crazy.
Nice little finish.
Yeah, that thing crazy. Sound good right there. Damn.
Damn, you just recorded me spitting.
No, I didn't record you spitting. I'm good like that. No, you didn't even hear it. I'm good like that. Oh, it's a fuckus. It's a fuckus. That. God dang. Oh yeah, that's crazy. Dang. With the dice in it. Hold up. First of all, y'all see the C8. The Mustang, but look at that. Oh, there's one right here too. Oh my God, man. Hood rat. That's cool. Look at all these cars that are over here. God dang, man. I love Cruise Week. But there that go. Sheesh. I ain't gonna lie, man. I gotta get me one of these. Hold up, let you get your clout real quick. Yeah, I mean, I like that, buddy. I like that a lot. Where you from? Damn. Damn, damn, damn. Ooh! Firebird. Crazy. But look at this. Look at that. That's insane. That's insane. Damn. You said, oh yeah, you can see the turbo right there. Damn. Oh my God. No matter where you look. Look at this thing though. This is insane. This is insane. I don't mean to be looking into his car, but like, yo, what? There we go. Lamborghini Gallardo. Yep. Always not bad to see. First of all, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Damn. But look at these over here. Oh my gosh, that is insane, man. Yeah. Look at that next to it. You think you got any beer in that keg? Damn. Yes, sir. That yank gonna snap a speed on you. 3 seconds flat.
Yes, sir.
I'm about to hold traffic for them.
Yes, sir.
I ain't even post that yet.
Damn. Damn. Oh, yeah. That's what I like. That's what I like. Oh.
I like
smoking all You said Tyler Perry. Damn. That's cool. That's cool. Yes, sir. Guys, redneck limousine. I love it. Yeah. Come on. It's a dark. God dang Pontiac. Oh yeah. Sheesh. Sheesh. I smell it. Badass. Damn. All down the line. Look at that. He said go, so I'm going. Oh, gotcha. About to say, hey, look. I knew what he wanted to do. I was moving.
The police.
Somebody revving. Gotta go. SS, Impala SS. What are you? Come around. Okay.
Skirt, skirt, skirt.
Oh. That's what I like. Y'all know what I like, man. Look at that F body right there. Damn, I missed mine. Damn. That's what I want. Grand Sport. Huh?
I thought it was black and brown.
Yeah. Bro. Oh my God. And the F-150 on B-locks. Look at the F-150 on B-locks. Yo, look at them B-locks in the F-150. Woo! Yeah! Come on. Oh, and a Gen 7. One time.
Oh yeah, and it's a nigga. Let's go.
Hold up, Gen 7 right there too. God damn.
Yo, banging. Yo, hitting it. Yeah.
Yo, hitting that. Peep the views real quick. What we're looking at over here. Damn. Oh, so y'all got a mini beach over here. That's actually pretty cool. with a little dock. This isn't bad. Never been down bottom before.
There's a nice little spot.
What's this place called again?
Oceanic Motel.
Oceanic Motel. Unfortunately, bloodstains on the seat. We ain't gonna talk about that. On the seat on the sheets. My bad.
Hey, just don't stay at motels, guys.
But you know, whatever. What's up there, boy? Mine. Man. Cadillac 2. Look at this. Sheesh. Then there's one over there. I want to take a look at this. Okay, slicks, intercooler. Love to see it. Love to see it. What the? Crystal Beach Hotel. This is the first hotel we ever stayed at for cruise week. Yeah, we had the restaurant with the pool. Could just sit out here all day, watching stuff go by. Nice.
Damn.
Remember we came and it was all flooded and everything.
Yo,
that one time. That was crazy. That's what I like to see. All the people, all lined up, just sitting out up there on the balcony, just watching.
Oh, them bowling pins, knock them down.
He just did a burnout.
Fox body.
Mega cab. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, man. I saw one of them fucking seagulls out there.
Mine. Here we go. Now I can get a good shot. That's crazy. Look at this lineup of cars. Oh my God! Oh my God! Nut! 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 Damn! R33. That's insane. Y'all know where we at. 7-Eleven over here by the Wawa. Yeah. Damn. Yanko. Yo, I don't even know where to look at. Like, where do you even start? I'm gonna go this way. Oh, nah, yeah. Damn. Damn. Oh, he from our side. Sorry about it, guys. Send a text message. Seen this plenty of times. Little right rod. C8 right there.
What the f is this?
What? Oh, what is that? right, that's a Terminator. God dang. That's crazy. Hey, yo, how we beat them? I said, how do we beat them here? They left before us. That's me, yep. With the cans in the back. Look at this goat over here, though. I'm gonna catch the goat. That's sick. I like that track, man. That's cool.
Walk that fast.
Sheesh.
Busy up the back. Big, built.
That's two. Cool. Biggs Built Hot Rods. YouTube
Why we got
channel.
in the back?
Honda with a big old snail. Audi R8 V10. Hey. What the? LSA swap. That's pretty cool. Low. I wonder what's done to this.
Man, I seen you down here last year.
Yeah, man. Y'all want to see how to slide on somebody? Crouching like a tiger, like Snoop off the wire. Situational awareness.
Situational awareness, sir.
Is that a Jaguar with a blower coming out of it? What the f?
You ever seen Roadkill?
Yeah.
You never seen the Jaguar? Same.
Okay.
Small block Chevys will hold right to the transmission in these cars.
Jesus Christ. Look at this thing, man. Damn. It says small block Chevy, bolt right up to it. That's insane. That's insane.
That's nasty.
Damn. That color's kind of crazy. I like the meats. Pause.
Fat-ass tires.
Yeah, that's a fat ass tire. She thick. She thickums. Yee. Fuck you got in the back of that? Clean. Clean. That's clean. Yes, sir. Three pedal set. That's a pretty big turbo there, buddy. It's a pretty big alternator. Oh yeah, I like the way you sound. It's cool.
I'm mad my grandfather sold his, man. Just like that, the red lettering.
Morning. Oh. Hold up.
She's waving at us.
I follow her.
Oh, that is.
Yeah. I follow her. This car, yep. Lady driven.
Yeah.
I follow her. I'm gonna give her own little shout out. That thing is so wide, man. That thing is so wide. Damn. Damn. That's crazy. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Damn.
Man, they got the mother bang bus out here.
Like I seen now.
He didn't step on it. He just blipped it a little bit. Blah.
That shit.
Blah. That thing crazy. Where the Tahoe at? Oh, I see it. I don't know what's up with that bus, but yeah, this Tahoe crazy.
You're also looking down at your completely flat road.
Oh, you gotta see the F-150.
Oh, that's the one you saw. I want to find that blue one.
They got perfect seats up on top.
Yes, sir. That makes sense. You want to get a fucking bowl of HX.
Damn. That's cool.
Oh, it's just all motor.
All motor. It do. Look real good.
I like how that is.
Hold up, the F-150 lights up? That's pretty crazy. I saw that.
What?
Where it says F-150, it lights up.
Oh shit. That's the thing about pickup trucks. You got so much room.
You do. Damn. It's clean too.
Damn.
Wake up and rub my finger.
Oh my gosh. He said wake up and rub my fingers across it. Nah, real talk though. Oh, look at the interior. Yo, this thing is so clean, man. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, she's simple.
This is clean. Fitment nice. Yeah, good job. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, that's crazy actually. Turbo car. That's insane. Oh, is this the Grinch? That's not the Grinch. Dope though. I do want to see the Z06. I like that color. Damn. Damn. Yeah, I was looking for you. I thought I lost my human.
Yeah. Like, you gotta keep doing well.
Huh?
What?
What'd you say?
What?
What'd you say?
What you said?
Whatever. This thing's pretty crazy. Like the color on it.
It's hungry as shit.
Alternator.
Yo got the tapeworm.
Wings.
Them
No
naked,
more naked
them
wings.
nude wings.
She said, how you want them? He said, naked.
Never heard of
Like you?
Man, yo, you heard of naked wings, right?
Naked wings is insane though.
See?
That's what they call it.
Getting naked wings though.
That's what they call it.
Naked wings.
I mean, hey, it's on. You like.
Now when y'all go to order wings, y'all gonna see and say naked or breast.
I'm not gonna order the naked ones. I'm not mad at it, but
Alright, so when you go to Maria's, you get wings.
I don't get wings from
I'm
Maria's.
just saying, if you see on the boy say breaded or naked.
Yeah. Nah, I'm hip, but Leonard. Damn. Damn. got them buttes on there. Look at this thing. Bro, what? It's got a little lizard in there. Oh, that's cool. You can climb in the back. Hey, that's actually crazy. That's actually kind of funny. I didn't peep the supercharger actually. That's clean.
That old stuff, Cars movie. What was that name?
Honda ain't a bad color. Suburban.
Yeah, the one that just rolled past. We saw it earlier.
Oh. What? Oh, that's crazy. That's clean. That's clean. That's clean. That's clean. That's insane. Huh, I didn't realize what that said. Lightning. Twin turbo. Let us see it. Let us see it. And bow. Lamborghini. That's pretty cool. That's insane. That's what I'm talking about. The wagon. Got that wagon. There we go. There we go. Oh, I hear that blower. I hear that blower.
It's been so long since I smelled E85.
I know. Get intoxicated. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Sheesh. I don't think he high enough. Yo, I literally only come to his. Damn.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's that one.
I wish.
One of them.
I wish.
You break it.
Hummer EV.
Oh, shit.
Oh, and GTR. That's pretty cool. Chevelle. Vet. That's what I need. That was a Grand Sport too. The exact one I want.
You know.
There we go. There's Cody right there. 7-second 5.0 Mustang. Just casually driving on the street. Yo, I love it. Oh, you got it up. I see it. Damn. Damn. RX-7.
You don't see a lot to use at all.
Heading out from here. I know it's probably sporadic, but let's be honest, man. You don't sit still during cruise week, especially when you don't have a solid parking spot. We actually just met up with Puma. If you watch the videos, I remember Puma. I actually just met up with him for a quick second. Should have put him on the camera. Shout out to you, Puma. Look at all the people though. I love cruise week, man. They on the bang bus.
They ain't got no over there. So.
And none. Y'all, look at that. Oh my gosh. A Ferrari. A real life Ferrari. Nah, but for real though, that's sick. That's crazy. That's crazy.
The camera shot didn't get it.
That thing chopping. You chopping, bro. Oh, got some meat on it too. Oh, a Miata. That's a red Subaru, and you just don't see them like ever. Elko. Towing that car? What? That was crazy. That sounds so good, man. Damn shit.
Oh shit, my crash.
We missed it, but there was a R34. It's blue. That, sir, if you see this video, I want to talk to you. That thing nice. Oh, somebody revving. Huracan.
Shit, Suburban.
He's about to accelerate and the cop was right next to him. He said nope.
Shit.
He said nope, never mind. Oh, that's a Lotus Elise right there. Look at that S2000. That thing is sick. Ah, we're not gonna get in the front. Just take my word for it, please. Oh, maybe.
Oh snap! That's gonna turn off a black lady.
There we go. Venador SVG. Oh, there we go. A Venador SV.
It was SVJ. It's crazy.
Jeez. All right. Now this is what I'm talking about. Nighttime. 5.0, Acura, Lotus Elise, Lamborghini Gallardo, Lamborghini Huracan, Dodge Viper Gen 2. Got the kit car here. That's Z06. This Porsche, man. That thing is crazy. That thing is crazy. There it goes. That's my thumbnail right there. Yo, there's so much stuff all around. Oh my God, y'all hear that thing? Come on. God dang. Rowdy. Yeah. Yeah. Rowdy.
RAM. My capacities are virtually unlimited, with infinite possibilities.
Oh yeah, the CTSV. That's crazy. There we go. Bring the undergo back, man.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, sir. Yo! That's a crazy color. That's dope. There we go. Hellhawk. Ah, that's hard. That's hard. On the beeline. Now I'm trying to build an LS.
I'm gonna build an LS. I don't know what I'm gonna build it for. Matter of fact.
Oh, I need a drag car. I need a dedicated drag car, so that's what I'm doing. My fault. My long ass feet. My bad. I'm sorry, Sugarfoot. I'm sorry. Watch out. Don't get hit.
I'm Sugarfoot.
Huh?
You're the one stepping on me.
What? How am I Sugarfoot? Anyway, we just talking about builds and everything like that. Y'all see him? Y'all know who that is. Y'all find out.
Soon to come.
It was soon to come, right?
Gotta get over there.
Just cut through here. Is that open? A Ferrari 458. Damn. Blower on this. Huh?
Is that another split bumper?
Yes, it is. He likes his split bumpers. Oh. Oh, yeah.
All the bikers are still here. My snake is still here.
Shit. Oh, look at the paint. That's really green. That's crazy. How it fades to the green. Oh my god. God damn, man. Cage in it, of course. Shoot on it. Pro charge card. That's crazy. That's crazy. Look at that. Nova. Oh. What was that? Oh, that was that truck. Got some killers though. Killer. Sexy.
Well, I don't know. Can it sound like it?
I think it startled you.
There's that Jaguar here. Horsepower. I come outside and this man is filming with my camera. Camera inception. That's crazy. I got your dumb ass.
I want to put some secret clips in here. got me.
That's crazy. So dumbass.
Yeah, I had to take over, you feel me? I was about to put some secret clips in here.
Yeah, that God dang, got to make dangle down there. No Diddy. That's a dangerous dinosaur right there. Damn. Sheesh. Sheesh.
My bad.
240. This thing sounds good. So now, when it gets to a certain time, they start clearing people out and handing out tickets. But that's only on the Wawa and the CVS side. If you go to, oh wow, that was a Huracan STO. Did you see that? Yeah, it was a white Huracan STO. Missed that one, but if you go over to the 7-Eleven side, everything's still fine. They don't clear you out of there. Pro tip. See you later, horses. Alright guys, that's gonna conclude it for this video. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you get them. Well, never mind, because I actually, I'm so used to saying get the merch, this link down in the description, but I actually stopped all that. So I don't have any merch right now. But make sure you subscribe, like the video and everything like that. I promise I ain't gonna be a ghost, okay? But yeah, as always guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day.